ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्। Please repeat.
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अहिउन्
ऐउन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओम्
ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
not एऔच् ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यामाङ्गाण्डम्
न्यामाङ्गम्
जभै
जभै
खडधश्
खडधश्
अकुक विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
रसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
नानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतो कण्ठथालु
एदैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कंठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामानास्ति
रामायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
भो राम मामुद्धर
भो राम मामुद्धर
रामः रामौ रामाः
रामौ रामाः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरयः
गुरुः गुरवः
गुरवः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पितरौ
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्तारौ कर्तारः
एषः एतौ एते
एषः एतौ एते
अयम् इमौ इमे
अयम् इमौ इमे
सः तौ ते
सः तौ ते
कः कौ के
कः कौ के
रमा रमे रमाः
रमे रमाः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
नद्यौ नद्यः
मतिः मती मतयः
मतयः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनवः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वध्वः
माता मातरौ मातरः
मातरौ मातरः
एषा एते एताः
एषा एते एताः
इयम् इमे इमाः
इयम् इमे इमाः
सा तेताः
सा एताः
का केकाः All these are Strilinga Shabda. Now we'll continue. Ruktastanani Purayata. From here we have to start. Yes, Deepika ji. Fill in the blanks. So, Iyam, this demonstrative and interrogative Strilinga we are seeing. So,
Yes.
it's a continuation from what we where we left last class. Yeah, please do.
Yes. Iyam Mahishi.
Yes, Mahishi Ikaranta.
Yes. Ime Mahishau.
Mahishyau.
Sorry, Ime Mahishau. And Imaha Mahishyaha.
Good.
Then Vapi. Esha Vapi.
Yes, continue.
Ete Esha Vapi. Ete Vap. Yeah, I mean Ete Vapyau.
Vapyau.
Etaha Vapyaha.
Vapyaha. This file already I sent you. You keep this file with you.
Yes, sir.
With this you can say Iyam is there, Strilinga, Vapi Ikaranta Shabda, it is Nadi Shabda. So Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha. Then Iyam Ime Maha Resha Yete Etaha. Accordingly, you have to.
Yes,
say.
sir.
This file you can keep it open.
Yes.
Yes. Continue. The next one.
Sa Bhavani. So Sa Bhavani. Sa Bhavanyau.
Not some.
Sorry, Te Bhavanyau.
Yes.
Taha Bhavanyaha.
Yes.
Shall I continue?
Yeah, please do.
Imaha. So Iyam Bhavani I did. Iyam Prithvi. Ime Prithvyau.
Yes.
Imaha Prithivyaha.
Yeah, continue.
Sa Bhagirathi.
Bhagirathi.
Sorry. Sa Bhagirathi. Te Bhagiratyau. Taha Bhagirathyaha.
Yes, next person now. Inge Priyaji.
Yes, ji. Iyam Maitri. Ime Maitriau. Imaha Maitriyaha.
Okay. Oh, only one is there. Fine. We'll continue later. Now let us do the next one. Ukaranta Shabda, which already we chanted. Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda. Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti, that is first case also, is like that. It's like Guru Shabda only. So, Ukarantaha Strilingaha Dhenu Shabdaha. Dhenu is Strilinga. Guru is Pullinga. So, Dhenu is a noun base, Pratipadikam, ending with Ukara. How do you decline Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha, which we chanted just now? So, the Shabda ending with Ukara, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam will be Uhu. Ukara replaced by Uhu. Dvivachanam, Ukara will be replaced by U. So, Dhenu. Then Bhagavachanam, it is replaced by Avaha. So, Dhenu is there. Dhena Vaha iti. So, Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Pratama Vibhakti is same. Then what is the difference between Pullinga and Strilinga? Differences are there in other vibhaktis. That we will see later. The same way, other shabdas, other Strilinga, Ukaranta shabdas can be declined. Now, Ekebraj, please lead.
Yes, ji. उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तनु शब्दः तनुः तनु तनवः उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः इषु शब्दः इषुः इषु इषवः उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रज्जु शब्दः रज्जु रज्जुः रज्जु रज्जवः उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः
Chanchu,
चच्चु शब्दः
not Chachu. Chanchu.
चञ्चु yes जी चञ्चु चञ्चुः चञ्चु चञ्चवः
Tanu means body. Ishu means arrow. Raju, rope. Chanchu, beak of the bird. That's called Chanchu. Chanchuhu, Chanchu, Chanchavaha. Okay. You can read, you can complete this. Riktastanani Purayata.
रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत इयं रज्जुः इमे रज्जु इमाः रज्जवः एताः
You should memorize.
एताः
You should know by heart what is the Srilinga form of that. Esha, Ete.
इषुः एते इषु एताः इषवः सा तनुः ते तनु ताः तनवः इमाः इयं चञ्चुः इमे चञ्चु इमाः चञ्चवः.
Yes. Next Shabda is Ukaranta Shabda, which also we chanted just now. Vadhu is the master Shabda for Ukaranta. Vadhuhu, Vadhvau, Vadhvaha, Ukarantaha. It is a Strilinga Shabda, as I said before. Strilinga Shabda, all the long ending vowels are generally Strilinga. Vadhu, daughter-in-law. Vadhuhu, Vadhvau, Vadhvaha. The declension is Vadhuhu. That is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Vadhu, U is replaced by Uhu. In Dvivachanam, the U is replaced by Vau. And Bhagavachanam, U is replaced by Vaha. Vadhuhu, Vadhvau, Vadhvaha. Now you can see Chamu is that. Chamu is Ukarantaha, Strilingaha, Chamu Shabda. Pratama Vibhakti is Chamuhu, like Vadhuhu, Chamuhu. Then Dvivachanam, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Chamuhu. Dvivachanam replace U by Vau. So you get Chamvau, Chamuhu, Chamvau. In Bhagavachanam, you replace Ukara by Vaha, Chamvaha. The next one is Swashru. Swashru is the Pratipadika. So Swashruhu, Swashravau, Swashravaha. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Swashruhu. Replace Ukara by Uhu. And Dvivachanam replace Ukara by Vau. And Bhagavachanam replace it by Vaha. Swashruhu, Swashrvau, Swashrav, Swashravaha. Understand?
Yes, Guru.
Now the next one. Only two Ukaranta Shabdas are given. Umaji can do.
Yes, Guruji. Iyam Ukarantah Strilingah Swashru Sabdaha.
Shvashru.
Swashru Sabdaha. Iyam Swashru Ime Swashrau Imaha Swashravaha. Next one. Yesha Ukarantah Strilingah Sammu Sabdaha. Eta Sammuhu Yete Sambau Yetaha Yetaha
Shambaha.
Sambaha.
Okay. The next one is Rukaranta Shabda. Like we have in Pullinga, Rukaranta Shabda, Pitra Shabda. In Strilinga, we have Matra Shabda. Rukarantaha, Strilingaha, Matra Shabdaha. So it is declined like Mata, Mataro, Mataraha. Declined Pratama Bhakti same as Pitra Shabda. There is no big difference. Small difference is there, not big difference. It is like Pitra Shabda only. Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha. Similarly, Mata, Mataro, Mataraha. You can see Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Rikara is replaced by A. So Mata. When you see the word Mata, don't think it is Akarantaha Strilingaha. No. It is Rikaranta Shabda. This you need to remember. Because Rikaranta Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam will end with A. So by seeing the word, don't conclude it is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Unless you know it, you may do the mistake. So you have to know Matra Shabda. Some Rikaranta Shabda we will see. And in Dvivachanam, Rikara is replaced by Arau. So Matarau. And in Bhagavachanam, it is replaced by Araha, Mataraha. So Mata, Matarau, Mataraha. Now you can see here. Yatru, Rikarantaha, Strilinga Shabda. Yata, Yatarau, Yataraha. So Yata, the word Yata, suppose if it is there, you have to remember it is Rikaranta Shabda. It is not Akaranta Shabda. Rikaranta, Yata, Yataro, Yataraha. Right? So Yata. Yata
Guruji,
means
what is the meaning of Yatru?
Yata is sister-in-law.
Oh, thank you.
There is husband's brother, wife. It's called Yata, Yatru. Then Dugitru, Dugita, Yata, Yataro, Yataraha, Dugitaro. Dugita is daughter. Okay, Dugita is daughter. Dugita, Dugitaro, Dugitaraha, not Dugitaro. Similarly, not Yataro. Yata, Yataro. Pita, Pitaro. Mata, Mataro. Yata, Yataro. Dugita, Dugitaro. Okay. Dugita, Dugitaro, Dugitaraha. Then Nanandru. Nananda, Anandarau, Anandaraha, Anandru, Rikaranta Shabda. Anandra means the sister of the husband. Husband's sister, what do you call? That is Anandru.
Sister-in-law only, no? That is.
That's also sister. Yes.
Son-in-law.
Sister, not son. Talking about the sister of the husband. How can be son-in-law?
Okay. Good.
Nanandru, Nananda, Nanandarau, Nanandaraha. So Only few words are given here. Yes, you can read Umaji. Uttastanani Purayata.
Yes, Guruji. Yam nananta.
Nananda, not Nananta. Nananda.
Nananta.
Nakara.
Lukarantaha. Strilingaha. Nananda Shabdaha.
Nanandri Shabda. Where is Nananda?
Okay, sorry.
You are doing Rikaranta Shabda. You are saying Rikaranta and you are
Okay.
saying Nananda. It's contradictory.
Okay. Yam Nanandra Shabdaha. Yam Nananda. Ime Nanandarau. Imaha Nanandaraha. Rikarantava. Strilingaha. Duhitru Shabdaha.
Not Dugitru. It is not U. It is Dugitru. When you say Dugitru, it is not labial. The
Okay.
lips should not be round. Dugitru means Ukara. It's not Ukara. Dugitru. Rikara.
Okay. Duhitru Shabdaha. Yesha Duhita. Yete Duhitarau. Yetaha Duhitaraha.
Next Shabda. Okay. Next is the list of the Shabda, what we chant. This every class we will chant, but you need to memorize this. In the beginning, you can take a printout and keep it with you, fine. But not every time. You have to should refer this table. You should memorize by heart. Daily practice. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
So, any doubt in this?
No, Guruji.
Okay. Now, up to this, we have seen. This is this book actually. This is actually it's a PDF file. It's a Word file and PDF file also is there, which already I sent you. So this book, Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti is completed. Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti is we have done. Okay. So we have come to the end of this lesson of this book. So in this book we have dealt with Strilinga Shabda. Now after Strilinga we are going to see Napumsakalinga. So all these Shabdas you need to remember. We are going to deal with Napumsakalinga. I will introduce what Napumsakalinga and all. We are going to see that now. Introduction to neuter gender words. So far we have seen masculine gender, feminine gender, and now neuter gender. So neuter gender noun basis ending with vowels. Ajanta Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Ajanta means ending with vowel. Napumsakalinga. A noun basis Shabda. In neuter gender, we have noun bases ending with akara, ikara, ukara, and rikara. Noun bases ending with a, I, o, and au are not there in neuter gender. So akara, ikara, ukara, rikara. These are the Ajanta Shabda. Now, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Neuter noun bases ending with a vowel a. One by one we will see. So like other Shabda, here also we will take some master Shabda. This also already, Pala Shabda already we have seen before. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda we have seen. So we take Pala as a master Shabda. You can see Pala is equal to Pakara plus A, then Nakara plus A. The word ending with the vowel A. Therefore, it is Akaranta Shabda. Akaranta Shabda, and it is a neuter gender noun base. Therefore, the description of Pala Shabda would be Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pala Shabdaha. Pala is a noun base ending with A. Similarly, Vana, if you take, Vana means forest. The Shabda Vana ends with the letter Akara. therefore akarantaha. Linga is napumsakalinga, therefore napumsakalinga. Shabda is vana, pratipadikam, vana shabdaha. So akarantaha, napumsakalingaha, vana shabdaha. This is the description of the noun base. More words are there. All these are napumsakalinga shabda, which we saw. Some of the shabda we saw in the beginning itself when you read the words at the time. You can see that in the vocabulary, the list of napumsakalinga shabdas are given. The words and their meanings. So vahana, pushpa, vastra, pustaka, griha, vadana, nayana, yana, kalatra, dhana. All these are napumsakalinga shabdas. This is for your reading practice. So you can practice reading this, and later we can take some of the shabda for declining in napumsakalinga, prathama vibhakti, other vibhaktis. It's a long list. This is just for you to be familiar with. This is given. So this you can read later. I'm proceeding further. Next shabda. Now ikarantaha napumsakalingaha napumsakalinga shabdaha. Noun basis ending with the vowel e. So here let us take the shabda vari. Vari means water. Jala is also water. Jala is also napumsakalinga. Jala is akarantaha napumsakalingaha jala shabdaha. Vari is ikarantaha because it ends with the letter e. Therefore, ikarantaha napumsakalingaha vari shabdaha. The declensions part we will see later. So vari, some examples I am giving here. Dadhi, akshi, asti iti. All are napumsakalinga shabda. By seeing the shabda, don't conclude with this pullinga. You have to refer the dictionary. You have to refer the dictionary to know what linga is that. Dadhi, ikaranta, napumsakalinga. Dadhi means curd, akshi, then asti. Some of the napumsakalinga shabda. Many shabdas are there. I am given only 3. Main shabda is akaranta, napumsakalinga shabda, pala shabda. But akaranta shabdas are important. That is why akaranta. I given a lot of examples. Then ukaranta shabda. Ukarantaha napumsakalingaha. For that we can take the shabda madhu. Madhu means honey. Madhu. The declension part we will see later. Declensions we have not seen. We will see. It's going to come after this. Madhu is ukaranta shabda. Ukarantaha napumsakalingaha madhu shabdaha. Some of the ukaranta napumsakalinga shabdas you can see. Ashru, astu, swadu, sanu, sadhu, jatu. These are some of the words. Then rikaranta shabda. So a, e, u, and then r. Rikaranta napumsakalinga shabdaha. Already I have sent you all the PDFs. Please download it and save it. Long back I sent all the files. So you go through this.
Yes,
After the class, you go through this. Then rikaranta shabda you can see here. Datru. Datru means the giver. So datru, the shabda ending with the letter rikara. Therefore, it is rikaranta shabda. And now we are going to decline that in napumsakalinga. Rikarantaha napumsakalingaha datra shabdaha. Datra shabda is there in pullinga also. Rikarantaha pullingaha datra shabdaha. There we saw data, datarav, dataraha. That is different. Pullinga. Dhatra is, now it is in napumsakalinga. How dhatra can be in both linga? Why not? Because it's an adjective. The giver. The giver could be a pullinga or it could be a strilinga also. If it is strilinga, what will happen? That we will see later. Don't worry about it now. Pullinga, the giver could be a pullinga The giver could be a Strilinga. The giver could be a Napumsakalinga. If it is Napumsakalinga, then the declension is different. Do you follow what I'm saying? So,
Yes, Guruji.
so depending on, because adjective, in English, adjective is same. Whether it's a tall boy or tall girl, tall is an adjective, it remains tall only. But Sanskritam, it is not like that. If it is a boy, the adjective, the gender of the adjective in keeping with the gender of the substantive. If the gender of the substantive is Strilinga, then the adjective also should be in keeping with the gender of the substantive. It must be Strilinga. So it should be declined accordingly to that linga. That problem we don't have in English, but in Sanskritam we have that. Therefore, adjective, Visheshana. So, Datra is, here it is, context is Napumsakalinga, so Rikarantaha. We are seeing only the description. Declension we are going to see. So, in Napumsakalinga, to start with, you know, Phala Shabda, that is important. Other Shabda, not important now. Later, it may be important, but not now. More examples for Rikaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. I given only Kartra Shabda. Kartra Shabda we have seen in Pullinga, Karta, Kartar, Kartaraha. In Napumsakalinga it would be different. The doer, if it is Pullinga, then it is declined like Pullinga Shabda. If it is Strilinga, Strilinga Shabda. Here it is Napumsakalinga, Kartru. How it is declined, we are going to see. Now let us see the declension for all the Shabda in the first case. To start with Phala Shabda. First case declension for neuter noun bases ending with vowels. Akaranta Shabda we are going to see first. Ajanta Napumsakalinga Shabdanam Pratama Vibhaktihi. First case of the Ajanta Napumsakalinga Shabda. That is, Ajanta is Akara, Ikara, Ukara, and Rikara. So we will start with Phala Shabda. That is Akaranta Shabda. Phala Shabda we take as a master Shabda for Akaranta. So Phala, the word Phala ending with the letter Akara. So Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Phala Shabdaha. How it is declined? Palam, Pale, Palani. This we have seen. Palam, Pale, Palani iti Rupam. What happens here? Phala, the last letter, that is Antya letter, is Akara. Akara is replaced by Similarly, that is a Pratama Vibhakti. Similarly, in Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, similarly in Dvivachanam, the last letter Akara is replaced by A, therefore you get Pale. And in Bhagavachanam, it is replaced by Ani. This you have to remember. Or just you remember Palam, Pale, Palani. You know this model. The same way, other Shabdas can be declined. So Palam, Pale, Palani. So I have given here some of the Shabdas. Umaji, you can read.
Yes, Guruji.
Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha. That's how we have to start. Okay.
Okay. Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Vanam Sabdaha, Vana Sabdaha. Vanam,
First,
Vane.
Ucharanam has to be proper. Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Vana Shabdaha.
Okay. Sorry. Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha.
Not Nabum. It is not Nabum. Napum, Pakara, not Nabum. Where is Pakara? Napumsakalingaha.
Napumsakalingaha.
Not Saha. It is Saka.
Saka. Nabum Sakalingaha. Nabum Sakalingaha. Vana Shabdaha. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Akarandaha, Nabum Sakalingaha. Jnana Shabdaha. Jnanam, Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani. Akarandaha, Nabum Sakalingaha.
Akarantaha. Taha, not Daha. Akarantaha.
Akarantaha, Nabum Sakalingaha. Astra Sabdaha. Astram, Astre, Astrani. Akarantah Napumsakalingah.
You're doing the same mistake. You're saying akarandaha, akarandaha, akarantaha. Ta, it is the first letter of the fourth class. Ta, tha, dha, dha, na. Ta, not the. Akarandaha means it looks as a third letter. When I hear the pronunciation. Akarantaha.
Okay. Akarantah.
Same mistake.
Third letter or fourth letter, Guruji?
First letter, akarantaha. It is third letter. Your pronunciation, it looks like third letter.
Okay,
Nabum
okay.
Sakalinga also third letter. No, yeah, first letter only. First letter of that class.
Okay.
Tavarga letter. Akarantaha.
Akarantah Napumsakalingah.
Napum Sakalingaha.
Napumsakalingah.
Not Shakalinga. One mistake you correct, other mistake you do. Napum Sakalingaha, not Napum Shakalingaha.
Napumsakalingah.
Yes.
Napumsakalingah Shastra Sabdah. Shastram Shastre Shastrani. Akarantah Napumsakalingah Pushpa Sabdah. Pushpam Pushpe Pushpani.
Next person. Neelamji.
Thank you.
Next. Neelamji can do.
Yeah. Akarantah Akarantah Napustril. I'm not getting that word. Akarantah Napustrilangah.
Oh, should know all those things. Basic things, all these things are.
Yes. Yeah.
Pullinga, Strilinga, Napum Sakalinga. We are in the 41st class. Okay.
Yeah, Napustrilangah.
Practice.
Yeah.
Napum Sakalingaha. Please go through the video, go through the notes. Napum Sakalingaha.
Yeah. Pushpa Shabdah.
Pushpa already done. The next one. Chatra.
Chatra Shabdah. Chatram Chatre Chatrani. Napusak Akarantah Napusakalingah Rupa
Napum Sakalingaha.
Napusakalingah.
It's not difficult. Napum. Say Napum.
Napum
Sakalingaha.
Sakalingah. Yes.
See, in Sanskritam, you have to read at least few lines, few passages every day.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you all do homework, some homework to be done, or weekly once. Or if
No, in fact, I have not
should
done.
do.
So, yeah,
at least
honestly,
10 minutes you must do a day.
Yes. Rupa Shabdah, Rupam Rupe Rupani. Akarantah Napusakalingah, Netra Shabdah, Netram Netre Netrani. Akarantah Napusakalingah, Yantra Shabdah, Yantram Yantre Yantrani. Akarantah Napusakalingah.
Napum Sakalingaha. This is your homework. You have to practice this. Next week when you come, you have to say it properly.
Yes.
Napum Sakalingaha.
Napusakalingah, Sukha Shabdah, Sukham Sukhe Sukhani. Akarantah Napusakalingah, Yana Shabdah, Yanam Yane Yanani.
The beauty of Sanskritam is it in Ucharanam. If Ucharanam is not proper, then it spoils. Then it's all about the Vedic mantras and all. How the Ucharanam would be proper then.
Yes. No, I will practice.
This is the basis. We are dealing only with the basics now.
Yeah,
We
sure.
are not yet really got into the language, grammar and other things.
Yeah.
Simple things we are doing.
Yeah, I will do that.
Next person, Subbalakshmi.
Akarantaka.
Here also same problem. Akarantaha, you should not say. Akarantaha.
Akarantaka. Napum Sakalingaka. Phala Shabdaka. Phalam. Phale. Phalani. Akarantaka. Napum Sakalingaka. Temana Shabdaka. Temanam. Temane. Temanani. Akarantaka. नपुंसकलिङ्गः अमृतशब्दः अमृतम् अमृते अमृतानि
No, not amruta. It is amrita. Amritam, amrite, amritani.
अमृतम् अमृते अमृतानि
You see that what mistake you do? You are saying ta as the amrita, not amrita. Amritam, amrita.
अमृतम्
It is ta.
अमृतम् अमृतम्
Ta, tha,
Ta.
the. That ucharanam, the four takara has to be proper. Not only takara, for
Amritam.
all the letters.
अमृते अमृतानि
Yes.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः सूर्णशब्दः सूर्णं सूर्णे सूर्णानि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः इन्धन शब्दः
Not Indhan. Read again.
इन्धन
Indhan. Then it's not akaranta, it is nakaranta. Then. If you say Indhan, the shabda is
इन्धन
nakaranta.
सारी इन्धन इन्धनम् इन्धने इन्धनानि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः कङ्कणशब्दः कङ्कणं कङ्कणे कङ्कणानि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः वस्त्रशब्दः वस्त्रं वस्त्रे वस्त्राणि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः व्याकरणशब्दः व्याकरणं व्याकरणे
Slowly. Why are you running? Huh? Vyakaranam, vyakarane.
व्याकरणं व्याकरणे व्याकरणानि
Hmm.
Swamiji, what is the meaning of Teman? Sorry.
ग्रामर व्याकरणं
What's that?
No, I have a doubt. I have a question. What is the meaning of Temana?
Temana. Oh, the first shabda
Yes.
you're asking. Temana. Temana is maybe a side dish or something. Temana is something, it's given in the dictionary, yes, sauce. Sauce or some, that's what is given in the dictionary, Temana. Temana is a side dish, okay. Temana, sauce.
Okay, thank you.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तैलशब्दः
Okay.
तैलं
Yes,
तैले तैलानि
next person. Rajeshwari ji.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः लवणशब्दः लवणं लवणे लवणानि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः क्षेत्रशब्दः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रे क्षेत्राणि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः इन्द्रियशब्दः इन्द्रियम् इन्द्रिये इन्द्रियाणि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः
Napumsaka, same problem you also have.
नपुंसकलिङ्गः
Hmm.
नपुंसकलिङ्गः पात्रशब्दः पात्रं पात्रे पात्राणि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः मिष्टान् शब्दः
Mishtan, nakaranta shabda.
मिष्टान्न मिष्टान्न शब्दः मिष्टान्नं मिष्टान्ने मिष्टान्नानि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः पानीयशब्दः पानीयं पानीये पानीयानि अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः गोमयशब्दः गोमयं गोमये गोमयानि
Yes. These are some of the shabda which you can practice. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam. Then this exercise is there. You have to read and find out the vachanam. Okay. So Rajeshwar, you can do the first. You have to tell the vachanam. All napumsakalinga. Akaranta shabda only. Just only akaranta I have given here. Okay. So you can tell the vachanam.
गद्यम् एकवचनं पद्यानि बहुवचनम.
Yeah, continue.
पवित्रे द्विवचनम. नारिकेलानि बहुवचनम. विमलम एकवचनम. पात्राणि बहुवचनम. पुष्पे द्विवचनम.
Next person. Deepika, next line.
Yes, Guruji. Bhashanani bahuvachanam. Nakshatram is ekvachanam. Yauvane dvivachanam. Chitram ekvachanam. Modakani is a bahuvachanam. Anvayam ekvachanam. Toyam ekvachanam.
Again, Priya.
Yes, जी. पत्रे द्विवचनम. पुस्तकम एकवचनम. उपनेत्रे द्विवचनम. रूप्यकाणि बहुवचनम. संपन्ने द्विवचनम. गजाननम एकवचनम. दिनानि बहुवचनम.
Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. कार्याणि बहुवचनं. दर्शनम् एकवचनं. आराधनम् एकवचनं. नाटके द्विवचनं. गृहाणि बहुवचनं. सत्यम् एकवचनं. रुद्रे
Not the day.
oh sorry, ऋते द्विवचनं.
Then comes the demonstrative pronouns. I think that we will do in the next class. So up to this, I can do demonstrative pronoun also, but if it is should not be too much for you. Is it okay? Shall I continue? Your choice.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
So introduction to demonstrative pronouns for neutral gender. Pronouns we have seen in Pullinga as well as in Strilinga. Takshabda, Sagataute, in Strilinga, Satetaha. We have to remember like that. You have to remember what is a form, what is a Vachanam and Vibhakti. If you give a word, so say Taha, what Linga, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam, should be able to say. Taha is Strilinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagu Vachanam. If it is Tau, then you have to say it is Pullinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. To practice it. Sagataute, then Strilinga, Sateta. Similarly for other pronouns. Yeshaha, Yetau, Yete, Pullinga. Yesha, Yete, Yetaha, Strilinga. Iyam, Ime, Imaha, Strilinga. Ayam, Imo, Ime is Pullinga. Similarly, Napumsakalinga we are going to see. So neuter, demonstrative and interrogative pronouns. So idam shabda, idam meaning this we know, that which is close, nearby, not very close. Very close is etad. Just close, idam. So makaranta shabda, napumsakalinga shabda. The shabda is idam. How do you decline? Idam, ime, imani. Simple. In Pullinga it is ayam, imo, ime. In Strilinga it is iyam, ime, imaha. In Napumsakalinga, idam, ime, imani. Idam meaning this, ime meaning these two, referring to the Napumsakalinga, neuter, the objects or persons or things. Imani is many. Okay. You can repeat. Makarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, idam shabdaha.
Makarantah Napumsakalingah
Napumsakalingaha.
Napumsakalingah
Idam
Idam Shabdah
Idam ime imani.
Idam ime imani.
Similarly, etad shabda. Etad meaning this, very close. That's the difference between idam and etad. That which is close is idam, that which is very close, closest, it is etad. So dakarantaha, नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः. How do you do?
Dakarantah.
It's okay. Let us see how you decline. Dakarantah, it is etat shabda. In Pullinga it is eshaha eto ete. In Srilinga it is esha ete
Esha.
etaha. And Napumsakalinga etat ete etani. So Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam etat, meaning this. And Dvivachanam ete. And Bhagavachanam etani. Now you see the word ete. Ete occurs in eshaha eto ete. In Pullinga it is Bhagavachanam. The word ete. In Srilinga it is Dvivachanam. Esha ete. And in Napumsakalinga it is Dvivachanam. Depending on the context, we have to know what ete is. If it is Bhagavachanam, it has to be Pullinga only. If it is Dvivachanam, it can be Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. So depending on the sentence, in the sentence, the main noun, the proper noun, what gender is that you have to see. Accordingly, you have to know this pronoun also. This pronoun, for example, if I say, Ete Bale is what? These two are
Boys.
not boys, okay? It said Ete Bale,
Balaka.
not Balaka. Ete Bale, I said.
Bala,
Okay.
Bale, that is.
These two are girls.
These two are girls. Yeah.
If it is Pullinga, I would have said Ete Balaha, I would have said Balaha, Balo, Balaha. Here,
Yes.
Srilinga, Bala, Bale, Balaha, Ete Bale, these two are girls.
Boys.
Ete Pale, these two are
Fruits.
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 Pale is Dvivachanam, therefore Ete Pale. Right? So, Etat Shabda. The next one is Tat Shabda. Tat Shabda, you can see Dakarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Tat Shabdaha, Tat Tetani, simple. Etat, Ete, Etani. Here, ye you remove it, what you have? Tat. Similarly, Te. Similarly, Tani. This is also simple. Sahatau te Pullinga, Sa Tetaha Srilinga, Tat Tetani, Napumsakalinga. Here also Te in all the three linga, the form Te is there. Pullinga it is Bhagavachanam, and the Te in Srilinga it is Dvivachanam, Napumsakalinga it is Dvivachanam. Okay. Similarly, Kim Shabda. Kim is Makarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Kim Shabdaha, Kim Kekani. So here also Ke Ikan. All the Shabdas are same. You can see the similarity in Napumsakalinga Shabda. Kim Kekani. Ke is Kakakau Ke. In Pullinga it is Bhagavachanam. In Srilinga it is Dvivachanam. In Napumsakalinga it is Dvivachanam. Okay. So we can repeat now. Takarantaha Napumsakalingaha Tat Shabdaha.
Dakarantah.
Napusakalingaha,
Tatshabdaha.
Tat Tetani.
Tattetani,
Makarantaha Napumsakalingaha Kim Shabdaha.
Makarantah. Napumsakalingaha.
Kim
Shabdaha.
Kim Kekani.
Kim Kekani.
Yes, up to this. The next part we will see, the next part of the lesson. You have to see other Shabda. The Idam, I think it is. Yep. All the Shabdas we have seen. Yeah, Idam, Etat, the four demonstrative. So next part is exercise only. That we will do in the next class. So we stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantah Shantah Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. 1 minute. The Umaji wants to sing. So she would like to sing a song.
Yes.